All right, guys, let's go on to B. Now, hopefully, again, some of you guys have tried B on your own, maybe even come up with an answer, okay? So what equation can we solve to find the time when the pumpkin is 10 feet from the ground? What is your best estimate for the solution of that equation? Okay, so we want to find out T when the pumpkin's 10 feet from the ground. So what this means to me is that this 10 feet, oh, I'm on eraser. This 10 feet here, that's my height. Well, I have an equation up above, right? I have this equation. Let's just use that. So instead of h, I'm going to put in 10 equals 100 minus 16 t squared. All right, so now I have an equation with just one variable in it. All right, now let's work on solving that equation. So I want to get t by itself. Okay, so now what I'm doing, so that's the equation, and now I'm going to try and estimate the solution of that equation. So let's try and get t by itself. So I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides. Okay, and so I'm going to get negative 90 equals negative 16 t squared. And let's take that and we'll put it over here so I get a little bit more room. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is let's divide both sides by negative 16. And let me consult my handy dandy calculator here. So negative 90 divided by negative 16. Remember, a negative divided by negative makes a positive, so I'm going to get positive 5.625 equals t squared. Okay, now we haven't necessarily learned this next part, but if we're going to estimate, what number, so remember t squared means a number times itself. So what number times itself is equal to approximately 5.625. And so if we want to estimate, well, we know that that 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9. Well, 5.625 is somewhere between 3 and 4. So I can estimate, dang it, I'm on my highlighter. I can estimate that t is somewhere, or approximately somewhere between 2 and 3 seconds. So that's a good estimate. However, there's one more way I can do this. I can take the square root of both sides, and that'll give me my exact answer. Okay. So the square root of both sides, I would do t equals, again, let me briefly consult my handy dandy calculator here. And I'm going to do this. We'll take that answer. Where is it? It needs to be 1. Oh, I'm going to get about 2.37. Okay, so there we go. 2.37 seconds is how long it took. All right, that's it.